It is a pretty simple question with a potentially terrifying answer. How much YouTube do you watch? By the end of this video, you'll have the answer. Let's do this.
vidIQ.
vidIQ.
vidIQ.com.
Alright then, let's kick this one off with a question. This is going to be a fun one. On average, how much YouTube do you think you watch every single day? We've got a voting card up here. Do let us know. We're going to ask you exactly the same question at the end of this video when you know the actual answer, and it's going to be fascinating to compare the results. Welcome to vidIQ. It is so good to see you as always. If this is your first time here, we are usually the YouTube tool and channel that aims to help you get more views in less time, finding out how much watch time you have on your channel. But what we're interested in today is your personal watch time on YouTube. Up until now, this has been a bit of a secret, but YouTube have been developing some digital well-being tools that want to show you just how much YouTube you're watching and whether or not you need to take some enforced breaks. So let's see exactly how you can find out how much YouTube you're watching. Be prepared, this may be a bit scary. YouTube announced this new feature on Monday the 27th of August, and the next time I loaded up the YouTube application I was confronted by this notification. So as with many features on mobile applications, you may not get it immediately, but YouTube are pretty committed to digital well-being, so there shouldn't be any restrictions on it and you should have it very soon. When you press the show me button, it will show you this time watch screen, showing you how much YouTube you've watched today, yesterday, over the course of a week, and your daily average. As you can see, we were doing pretty well until it got to the weekend and we fell off the YouTube wagon. Now these stats aren't just here to satisfy your morbid curiosity. If you scroll down the screen, you've got some tools to help you manage your YouTube watch time. You can toggle on a reminder to tell you how long you've been on YouTube and whether or not to take a break, turn off the auto playing of the next video, schedule a digest notification so it only sends you one a day rather than telling you when new videos are out on YouTube all of the time, and even disabling sounds and vibrations from YouTube during certain periods of days, say after 10 o'clock at night and before 7 AM in the morning. As of time of recording, YouTube have only shown these features on mobile devices, so it remains to be seen whether or not you'll see this on desktops. Once you have this feature on the YouTube application, to see it again, tap on your account profile in the top right hand corner and you should see a new option that says time watched. Tap there and again you can find out just how much YouTube you're watching every single day. Oh, and if you're wondering how we make thumbnails here at vidIQ, we literally just watch YouTube for 7 hours and I end up looking like this. Alrighty then, I'm sounding a bit like Ace Ventura, but it's time for the fun part. You guesstimated how much YouTube you watch. Now you know the actual answer. Tell us the truth in this voting poll above and compare your answers. I am fascinated to know just how much we are addicted to this platform. Now, if this sort of video interests you, then we've got another fantastic bit of coverage on YouTube hashtags right here. And if you want to know how to set a video location in 2018, the rules have changed a little bit. We've got a tutorial down here. And don't forget, of course, vidIQ, the #1 Chrome extension helping you get more views in less time. Enjoy the rest of your video making day, and we'll see you on those videos right now.